Let's make a video. We're going to solve these 4 problems using the addition method. Addition method is where we try to eliminate one of the variables. Maybe we have to do a little prep work, maybe we don't. This problem is ideal for the addition method. If you go ahead and add the two, you see how you have a negative y and a positive y? Those will cancel. X and x makes 2x, 4 and 12 makes 16, and hippity hop, you have your x just like that. You take that x and you plug it in either in the top one and say 8 minus y is equal to 4, or you plug it into the bottom one and say 8 plus y is equal to 12. Don't do both, just do one, but plug the 8 in and decide which one that you prefer to solve. I like this bottom one. All I have to do is subtract the 8 over and I get y as 4. Your answer is in an ordered pair, x first, y second. And that was an ugly 4. Let's do a couple more. So we have x plus 7y is equal to 12. We have 3x minus 5y is equal to 10. Right now, nothing will cancel. The x's aren't opposite, the y's aren't opposite, so we need to do a little bit of prep work. I usually get rid of the y's. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get the same number here and down here, and that number will be 35. 5 and 7 both go into 35. I'm going to multiply the top equation by 5 and the bottom equation by 7. 5 times the x, distributing. 5 times the 7, 5 times the 12. 7 times the 3 times the negative 5 and the 10. Now you see how the 35y's will cancel one another out. One's positive, one is a negative. 5x, 21x makes 26x. 60 and 70 make 130. Divide the 26 out, and I believe 130 divided by 26 is 5. Your answer is 5. Take that 5 and go back to one of the original equations. And I like that top one. So I'm going to replace the x with a 5, and I'll have 5 plus 7y is equal to 12. I'm going to subtract the 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. Divide the 7, I get 1. Your answer is 5, comma 1. X first, y second. Let's do another one. 5x plus 6y is 14, and 3x and 5y is 7. So I'm going to go after the y's again. That's traditionally what I do. 6 and 5, I'm going to go for 30s. So I'm going to multiply this top one by 5, and I'm going to multiply this bottom one by 6. Now if I do that, I'm going to end up with plus 30s in both. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to make one of them opposite. So on the bottom, I'm going to multiply that by negative 6 instead. And I usually do that to the one on the bottom. So 5 times the 5, 5 times the 6, 5 times the 14 is 70. Negative 6 times the 3, negative 6 times the 5, and negative 6 times the 7. Draw my bar. Do you see how the y's will now cancel? Because they're opposites. One's positive 30, the other one's negative 30. 25x take away 18x is 7x. 70 take away 42 is 28. Divide the 7, I get 4. Take that 4 and plug it into either the 5x or the 3x. I like the 5x. So 5 times x is 20. 20 plus 6y is 14. I'm going to subtract the 20. 14 take away 20 is negative 6. Divide out the 6, I get negative 1. Your answer is 4 for the x, negative 1 for the y. Let's do a word problem. I can buy 3 hamburgers and 3 Cokes for $5.50. So I'm going to use H's and C's. 3 hamburgers, 3 Cokes, $5.10. I can also buy 2 hamburgers and a Coke for $2.50. How much is a hamburger? How much is a Coke? And how much for 6 hamburgers and 2 Cokes? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to eliminate the Cokes. So I'm going to go ahead and just triple this bottom order. But that will put positive 3 there, and I want them to cancel, so I'm going to multiply by negative 3. So 3H plus 3C is 510. Negative 6H minus 3C is 3 and 250 would be a negative $7.50. Now the Cokes will cancel. 3 hamburgers take away 6 hamburgers is negative 3 hamburgers. 510 take away 750 is $2.40, negative 240. And I'll divide the negative 3 into that, divided by negative 3, and you'll see that a hamburger is 80 cents. Let's put a little dollar sign there. So that's for a hamburger. So how much is a hamburger? 80 cents. How much is a Coke? So let's go back to one of these original equations. I like this bottom one here. It says 2 hamburgers. 2 hamburgers will be $1.60 plus a Coke is $2.50. Subtract the $1.60 over. A Coke is 90 cents. How much is a Coke? A Coke is 90 cents. How much for 6 hamburgers and 2 Cokes? 6 hamburgers plus 2 Cokes would be 6 times 80 cents plus 2 times 90 cents. And that would be 6 times 0.8 plus 2 times 0.9. $6.60. It's a money problem, so you want to make sure you put that extra 0 there, that 0 there. Hey, have a nice day. Clean your room. Hug your folks.